Definition: the second conditional is used to express unlikely or hypothetical situations in the present or future, and their consequences. Structure: if plus past simple, would, could, might plus base verb. Examples: 1. If I won the lottery, I would buy a house. 2. If I had $1 million, I could travel the world. 3. If I were you, I would take the job offer. 4. If it snowed in July, I would be surprised. 5. If I had the chance, I would learn to play the guitar. Usage: 1. Unlikely or hypothetical situation. 2. Present or future possibilities. 3. Expressing opinions or advice. 4. Making suggestions or offers. 5. Describing consequences of unlikely events. Tenses: past simple or clause. Would, could, might plus base verb. Common expressions: if I were in your shoes, if I had the chance, if I were you ... if only ... if that were possible. Exercises: complete the sentences. 1. If I had a private jet. 2. If I could speak any language fluently. Point 3. If I won a Nobel Prize. Tips: 1. Use past simple immediate clause. 2. Use would, could, might in the main clause. 3. Use unless for negative conditions. 4. Practice with real-life scenarios. 5. Use second conditional to express hypothetical or unlikely situations.